Welcome, and let us look at this next question. Simplify 3 raised to the power 50 plus 3 raised to the power 50 plus 3 raised to the power 50. So all you need to do is just realize that 3 raised to the power 50 is common for the 3. So just factor it out. So you have 3 raised to the power 50, and then you have there ones plus here ones plus here ones. So you can rewrite this as 3 raised to the power 50 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And you can look at that as 3 raised to the power 1. So now you just need to use the first law of indices that says that if you have a number a raised to the power n and you're multiplying that by a number a raised to the power m, then that is the same as a raised to the power the sum of the two. So this is going to be the same as 3 raised to the power 50 plus 1, which is just 3 raised to the power 51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.